Hello Luxorians, welcome back to the family. It's your girl Honoria with yet another interesting recipe. In today's video guys, I'm going to take you through a 5-minute process of how I made this body scrub and this face scrub using ready-made body cream. So you don't need to go through the process of doing an emulsified body scrub or anything like that. All you need is grab your body cream and grab your dried ingredients such as coffee, chickpeas, rice powder, and other amazing ingredients you're going to find under the making of this video. As you can notice guys, I've been using these scrubs for a while now and the results blew my mind completely, and I said to myself I need to shoot a new video to share the recipe with you guys, my YouTube family. If you're suffering from hyperpigmentation, you want to go for those creams with lightening properties in them. Reasons being that you want to use a single stone to shoot two birds. That is, you're exfoliating your skin and then you're brightening the skin discoloration or the hyperpigmentation on your skin. So let's say you bought a body cream and you don't like it at all as a leave-in, don't throw it away. All you need to do is grab yourselves some coffee and some rice powder and some chickpeas and essential oils of choice and mix that bad boy together. It takes just 5 minutes. You can already do it before you jump into the shower. So it doesn't take time at all. And you also don't need any preservatives in it as your body cream already has preservative. If you're already liking the sound of this, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the family as it helps to grow my channel. Enough of the talking guys, let's go make ourselves some scrub.